Play it.
Oh, that's all.
We gotta fail here. Just kidding.
Guys,
If Kenneth watched this, I'm gonna give him credits. Credits for the video. Credits for the video, right?
who's
Yeah.
Kenneth?
Kenneth, my best buddy at school.
You're not gonna be my best friend.
Kenneth, if you watch this, I'm going to give you credits for the next video, part 3.
Hi, Kenneth.
No. Say if you watch this, Kenneth, please, I'm gonna give you credit. Say it.
If you watch this, I'm gonna give you credit.
Sonic, Jason, is Sonic Boom is not working? Okay, it's not working.
It is.
Guys,
don't start it yet. I'm trying to make another video. How to?
well, it's good to see you.
Taking my brain. I will play Talkie Tom.
Well, okay.
Guys, I introduce you to the
Okay, now we're gonna play Talk Me Tom, not Sonic. Play it. Ew, he looks dirty. Ew!
I'll sell him. Now, Talkie Tom. You're not funny. Oh!
He needs to pee!
Sorry about that.
You're getting your chest.
He's home.
You got a jello bed.
That's right. Then bed.
Slept. Jello bed. He gotta pee!
Oh no. Can you just...
Smacker whackers.
I'll close the door. You wanna eat? Oh, I wanna get him pepper. He like peppers. How you like that? You
Play Talking Tom now.
Oh, we almost showed up. There's one more. Oh. Oh my God, you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Got it. Oh, there's no more. We gotta get some more money. 3. Done. Now here's a carrot. Here's this too. See, you see this number? What's this number, guys?
Guys, we're gonna get the next video soon. Bye!
No. Guys, you have to watch it again.
Okay, just last 10 million.
This one. Now, let's see what this do, guys. Too pikey. You want this, guys?
Yeah.
Or you want this?
But you can't just download because it's not working.
Who's this guy?
It's just an ad.
He left. He need to go to the bathroom again. Yeah, guys, watch out! He's gonna poop. Let me see who was my bed. Talking time as I go to sleep. Guys, we need a door. Guys, sorry.
What a beautiful day to play something.
Guys, let's play Talking Tom again. That was an accident. Guys, you don't like this? Let's get another one. Yeah! We level up, guys.
Jason, let's play something
Guys,
else.
you don't like this color?
I mean, let's watch some videos.
Guys, you don't like this?
Everyone is bored.
Bored of this?
Everyone is bored. They need to play videos, okay?
Okay.
Just delete Talking Tom.
Guys, you don't like this color?
Oh my God, Jason.
Guys, you don't like this
you're so
color
annoying.
or this color?
You're so annoying, Jason.
Guys, you like this color?
Guys,
you don't like this one?
Like in the comment. I like it.
Guys, what color do you like?
I don't like it. If you say I don't like it, I'm going to not give you credits.
Guys, you don't like this color blue or red or orange or green or blue or green? Which one?
Let's watch YouTube Kids.
I'll do it.
Oh my God.
I need to finish.
Don't make me say annoying again.
Come on, I need to do it.
5, 4, 3.
I'm making a robot.
Okay.
Blue.
My iPad is gonna be dead soon, so please.
But I'll just leave it like this. I'll do it later.
YouTube.
Guys, you like this? I have YouTube in here.
Let's watch Sans.
Guys, we already watched them all day. Let's watch something else.
Mini Force.
Guys, let's watch. Guys, you like zombies too?
Yeah.
Are you like? Guys, you like this one?
No.
I like this one.
Skip it. Okay, just kidding.
No time for talks.
Getting louder, a call for revolution. Yeah, we came for hours. It's time for restitution. We were attacking the back. So human nature get hold us now. Stranded at the bottom, and we're the waste to know. We're never.